How to get your invitation code on Digi Wards. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get your invitation code on Digi Wards. Whether you're joining a team or accessing exclusive content, the invitation code is essential, so let's jump right in. Digi Wards is a platform where you can participate in various activities, including gaming, events, and exclusive offers. Getting your invitation code is a key step in joining and unlocking features. If you're wondering how to get one, I'm here to show you the exact steps. First things first, open your web browser and go to www.digiwards.com. Simply tap on the first option. After that, what you need to do is simply log into your account. Now navigate to the section where Digi Wards provide invitation codes. This could be under your profile, rewards, or settings. Look for anything labeled invitation codes or similar. Once you're in the invitation section, you'll be able to generate your unique code or request one. If it's part of a referral program, you may need to refer someone before you get your own code. Some platforms will send the code directly to your email as well. Once you've got your invitation code, you can easily copy it to your clipboard or share it via email, text, or social media with friends or people you want to invite. And that's it, you've now learned how to get your invitation code on Digi Wards.